This video I'm going to show you how to add a floating Google search bar on Windows desktop. So firstly, open any web browser and search for Google app for desktop. Now go to this link, the Google app for desktop. Now on the right side, you'll see here download the application. Click on this link. Once download is complete, then install it. After you have successfully installed this application, now just press Alt and space from your keyboard and you can search anything directly from the floating search bar from the desktop. So this is how you can add floating search bar in Windows desktop. So if this video helped you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.